Here's how to create a sprite sheet in Aseprite from multiple animation frames. First, check the pixel size of each frame by looking at the bottom of the screen, for example, 32 by 32 pixels. Go to File, then New. Set the width to the frame width multiplied by the number of frames. For three 32-pixel frames, that is 96 pixels wide. Set the height to match the original frame height, 32. Click OK. Now go to your first animation frame and use the rectangular marquee tool to select the character. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Go back to your new Spritesheet file and press Ctrl+V to paste. The character will appear in the first slot. Repeat for each remaining frame. Copy from the source file and paste into the Spritesheet. Then drag each pasted frame into its correct position. Once all frames are placed, go to File, then Save As. Name it and make sure the format is set to PNG. Click OK, and your Spritesheet is ready to import into any game engine. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.